A vibrant garden bursts with color as bees hum around blossoms under the warm sun. Lily chases a fluttering butterfly through the flower beds, a dance of childlike wonder. The butterfly teases, leading her deeper, a whimsical guide in a fragrant paradise. The butterfly zips and weaves, a flash of vibrant color against the lush greenery, leading Lily on a merry chase. A brief rest on a sunflower, then it's off again, teasing Lily with its playful flight. "I'm going to catch you," Lily exclaims, her voice filled with joy and determination. The butterfly poses as Lily stops, her presence gentle and admiring. "You win," Lily whispers, her voice soft, acknowledging nature's beauty.